Hello, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Nocode, and this is your favorite place in the internet where you get to understand how to build SaaS application, where you get to understand how to launch your own SaaS product without writing a single line of code. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to build your own SaaS application in 5 minutes without code. So let me tell you something about SaaS. SaaS is majorly you having something, right, that you want to give people, maybe on a one-time fee, or probably on a monthly basis. So it doesn't have to involve all the technology there is, right? So I know when something comes to your mind, you hear SaaS and you say software as a service, which is very, very good. Software as a service relating to the fact that users don't have to install any technology on their PC. They get to access this application over the cloud and then they pay for it monthly, weekly, or a yearly basis. There's also a way that you can start your own SaaS business. Does not involve all the complexity there is. So, don't forget, SaaS is software as a service. You hide something behind a paywall, then when your users pay, you give them exactly what they are looking for. That's exactly what SaaS is. For example, Spotify is a SaaS, right? You get to pay a monthly fee, or you get to pay a one-time fee for a song. So you pay a monthly fee for a song, they give you the song once you pay, but at the end of the month, if you do not renew your subscription, the product itself, it's gone. The song itself is gone. Today, we'll combine a couple of technologies together from different platforms, and you'll be able to launch your SaaS with this technology. So one of those I've created here is Notion. So Notion is a productivity tool that you can use for so many things. So you can see here, this is 201 AI business idea that you can start for your business, right? That you can start. So if I want to create a SaaS with this, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to detail this idea a bit more. So this is just the idea. I can decide to leave it like this or detail it a bit more. And this is a database of idea that you can basically start without writing a single line of code, right? So when you create something like this on Airtable, when you create a database like this on Airtable, the thing you want to do, you want to hide it in between the paywall, right? You hide it in between a paywall so that you share a link and then users get to see the details of what you're going to be getting, the kind of business idea they'll get, and then when they pay, they get it back. So I can use Notion to create this, or I can use a simple platform like Airtable. So for example, I have this product called Product Launch Heaven. So there are numerous places internationally and locally where you can launch your product ASAP, right? You can launch your product all around this place. If you are, you're getting to launch, you want to just put your product in the market and you're thinking, oh, I'm going to do this without writing it. I'm going to do this without any marketing budget. So you want to do it here. So I created a list of all these places where you can launch your product. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to look for a place where I can create a landing page for myself. So one of the places where I go to create landing pages is Card. Card is a very, very affordable tool that you can use to create your own landing page, your own self. So it's super affordable, about $11 a year, $11 to $20 a year, depending on the season where you're buying it. Sometimes it can be on promotions and sometimes they're not, but I'm spending $11 a year for Card. So you can create your landing page here and drive traffic to this particular place, right? And then also you need a way to collect payment. One of the cool ways that I collect payment myself is Lemon Squeezy. Right, I collected payment with Lemon Squeezy, and Lemon Squeezy enabled me to collect subscriptions. So if I want people to pay every month for the database, I can use Lemon Squeezy for it. If I want people to pay just one time, I can also use Lemon Squeezy for it. So when I combine all of these tools together, I'm able to create something, right, that users need, a record or a database that users need, and then I'm able to put it on the landing page, put it behind the paywall. And whenever they pay, Lemon Squeezy would just, send them the database, send them the tool they're paying for, send them what they're paying for. Immediately they make that payment. And also you can see that I created this Product Heaven right here on Gumroad. Gumroad is also a place that you can do same. It's very similar to Lemon Squeezy. Gumroad will enable you to collect payment and also distribute the product. But I don't use Gumroad because I think that it's not so cool for me. I use Lemon Squeezy. It gives me more profit and I'm able to have more control over the things that I sell on the internet. So hope you get that. I'm just going to recap. So first, you want to create a database of something. It could be 200 tourist attraction. It could be 50 places to 50 sales and marketing to 20 places to launch your startup like I did. And then you could create this with Notion. You could even do this with your Google Sheet. You can do this with Airtable. Very, very straightforward. And then the next thing you want to do is to look for a site to build a landing page where you drive traffic to. And the next, you want to look for a way to collect payment. Once you put all this together, the next thing you do is to probably start talking about it on Twitter, talking about it on Product Hunt, and anywhere where you have a social media following. So I hope you get it. That's how you would create a SaaS product within a few minutes or thereabout. Thank you very much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment if you can. If you're looking forward to building and launching your own SaaS, there's a link below that you can use. Click on it and we'll be able to talk, and definitely we can work together. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.